Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a WordPress plugin using ChatGPT. So first of all, and as always, I want you to go ahead and open any browser and then go ahead and open this website which is called openai.com. Now after we opened it, click on try and now this page shall be opened for us. Now, they will ask us to put our information to log in, so create an account really fast using email, password, and phone number, or you can just sign in using Gmail or Facebook or Twitter accounts. Now, let's go ahead and start talking with the chat or the AI. So, hello, can you make me a WordPress plugin? As an AI, I do not have the ability to write code or create WordPress plugins. However, I can provide you with information on how to create WordPress plugin as well as resources of learning how to code with PHP. So, can you write me a script code for WordPress plugin in PHP that um, allows me to get messages from visitors? So let's try this out. The content variety content policy. So sure, here is an example of basic WordPress plugin that allows you to collect messages from visitors. So as you can see now, if you really know how to ask the bot to make your plugin, you will get the answer eventually. So as you can see here, even though at the beginning he told me he can't, now when I changed a little bit the message, he actually started making me some code, and apparently it will gonna be the same thing that I asked it for. So the plugin creates a shortcode context form that can be added to a page or post to display the context form. When the form is submitted, the visitor's name, mail, and message are sent to the site administrator email address. So yeah, that's pretty simple and pretty easy. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.